Are you ready to take the MongoDB developer exam? Prepare for an exam as a MongoDB developer or for an interview. Jump into the world of NoSQL databases. Test yourself by answering over 240 questions. This course is in the form of practice tests and consists of questions that may appear during the MongoDB developer exam. Some questions are self-explanatory, where necessary explanations are added to the questions. This course allows you to confirm your proficiency and give you the confidence you need to earn a MongoDB developer certification. Each test has a time limit. The required score for each practice test is 80% correct answers. After completing the test, your final result will be published, where you can review all submitted responses and explanations. You can take each practical test multiple times. In order to reflect the form of an exam as much as possible, the questions are single and multiple choice. I strongly encourage you to repeat these exams until you consistently achieve a score of 90% or higher on each exam. Don't hesitate and take the challenge today. Thank you for your attention and good luck.